We sat down with one of our PHP full stack developers, Eduardo Suarez, who works with our client, Service Corps. Service Corps specializes in waste management systems, supply chain distribution, billing, essentially everything for all of your waste management needs. And we wanted to get a sense of exactly what Eduardo works on at Service Corps as a full stack developer. Let's take a look.
Well, I think the most important thing, the most important skill I have for this case is the communication. They have such a very good senior developers there. They know like a lot of things, and I learned a lot with them. But the thing that I could I am a very talkative person, communicative person. So I like sharing my thoughts and everything, and they like it. They like when we have some problem, and then they need to share the knowledge in regard that to solve that problem. So I am open to I share my thoughts and everything to really get that resolved somewhere, even though when I don't know technically how to solve that, I am a very good person to bother someone else to get to know that. And then we are always be able to fix the problems we have. And so yeah, I mean, I think the team in general, they are very good in communication. So communication, if I would say it's the better skill you could have. And it was on one of the things that was required when I was hired as well. When I was hired by Jobsity, they said this client in specific, they wanted someone that is very communicative. And that's it. Basically, this is actually the most important thing. As I said, they have some very skilled software developers there as well, seniors. And I had a baggage, I can say that, in my career. I had a lot of things that I learned and that I knew, but I learned more with them in these 6 months that I've been there than basically in my other years of my career. So yeah, it's they are very good. I learned some things. I improved others. So one of the things that I learned was Angular. So their application, the main application is developed with Angular in a front end. So I didn't know a thing about Angular, and I learned everything in there. And also automated tests. I used to write some unit tests before, with PHP, but here they bring that to another level of writing unit tests, and not just unit tests, but automated tests in general. They do functional testing, unit testing, E2E testing. So yeah, they're very detailed when we're talking about testing, and I have learned a lot in regard that, and that's pretty good. It was one of the things that I wished I could work with before starting with Jobsity. I would like to work more with testing, because I worked with that, but not as much as I do right now, and I learned a lot as well. So yeah, I mean, yeah, basically Angular, and also in a backend they have a framework called Laminas, which is pretty different of the other ones that I have worked before, and is also a new technology that I learned in the company. Still learning, actually. So far, I think I'm going in the right path of what I wanted to learn. I didn't have much experience with testing, so now I'm having that. I would also like to do some more things in the front end, learning these reactive languages such as React or Angular, and I'm kind of having that opportunity right now. So yeah, I feel I am. I don't have for now. Of course, I will probably have that in a few time. I don't know, but yeah, for now, I think I'm good at what I'm doing is what I wanted to do. I continue working on the project that I was hired to, and the things that I'm doing currently is working on the reporting module. So creating reports to the clients, or the way that we display the reports that they currently have, and this kind of thing.